Alright, so here is my new fuel filter for my 99 Toyota Corolla. It is the CE model. So to find your filter, it is under your back seat. And the back seat's got a couple clips and it just pops right out. And once you get there, there'll be this plate right there with the rubber grommet through it. You pull that plate up, it's just glued on. You got a clip, and you pull that clip off, and you pull this line off. This line, I don't know if it's supposed to be like this, but mine had tons and tons of pressure on it. Yeah, it has to, because that's where the fuel pressure goes in. Anyway, so when you take it off, you got to be real careful. You may have to take a line off up at the front of the engine or something to get the pressure off of it. But anyway, so you get that off. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 bolts that hold it in. They're 8mm or Phillips head. I don't know if you can see that or not. They're 8mm Phillips head, and then the pump comes out. So once you get the pump out, it'll look something like this. It's got that pre-filter on the bottom. So all you do is you pull up on it, and it pops loose, and it's got a little clip here, and that clip comes out. And now there's one more piece that clips in right there, and looks like it should just pull out too. So anyway, once you get that out, there's a clip here, there's little clips all the way around. You just pop them loose, and once you do that, the filter just pulls right off. Put the new one in, put it all back together.